Can someone who has ADHD also be a narcissist? This question comes up a lot. And the answer is yes, absolutely. Anyone can be. But when you look at what a narcissist is, it's someone who had so much shame for their true authentic self as a child. So two things happen. We either are totally shamed out of our truth and we have to have a mask called narcissism, or we're shamed out of our truth and we have to have a mask called codependency, which now caters to the person who has the dominant energy. Also, many people with ADHD, like I've said before, are attracted to people who have narcissistic traits because of that dopamine hit, because of that excitement, because of that intermittent reinforcement. And yes, you also can have ADHD and be a narcissist or have narcissistic traits, because a lot of people who have ADHD have been shamed for their neurodiversity. So if you have shame, there is always a potential that you could express with narcissistic traits, which seem like a lot of defending of character, that seem very self-centered, that seem very manipulative and controlling, because anyone who has shame has something to defend. They're defending the shame that they have not actually looked at yet and integrated by loving the parts of them that they were told were wrong with them. Shame says something's wrong with me. If something's wrong with me, I have to have a false self, which would be narcissistic. Or I have to have a false self and deny myself and just be there to cater to others, which is oftentimes codependency. So yes, these two things can coexist, but it's really about understanding what's underneath the symptoms. And yes, you also